There are tons of videos on YouTube about how to make money online.
More than $6,000 in 6 hours.
But for me, there are no ultimate realistic case studies about that. So that's why I thought about making a real case study and share it with you guys.
You need to share. Sharing is caring.
By the end of this video, you're gonna learn how does making money online really work and what you have to choose when you are just starting. First of all, you have to define some specific things about yourself. How much money do you want to make? This question is really important because some of you want to make a living, others want to make thousands of dollars, or why not hundreds of thousands or even millions. It really depends on your situation and your defined goal. So if you want to earn just enough money to pay your bills, then it depends on which country you are living. For example, for countries that you can live in with less than $10 a day, it would be really easy for you when you have time, but you don't have any skill to sell. And if you have a skill, it would be a huge plus for you.
Let's go get this money.
So let's get started with how you can make a living in countries that you can live with $10 a day with no skills and no capital. Go to Sprout Gigs, I will leave the link in the description. Then create a worker account. Go to microjobs and then find jobs. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of tasks that you can complete and get paid up to $1 per task. So let's do some math here.
Hey, Dad.
Is math.
I'll just wait for Mom to get back.
What?
Let's suppose you can complete a task that will pay you $1 in 20 minutes. So you can do about 3 tasks an hour, so you're going to be paid $3 an hour. If you can work 8 hours a day, that's $24 a day. And let's suppose you can work 40 hours a week, that's $480 a month. This is amazing, and enough to pay your bills in a lot of countries. If you have a skill, you can also post your own gig on Sprout Gigs, the same as Fiverr in this section, but with less competition. You can design logos, create websites, do video editing, or any service that you can provide. Now let's suppose that you don't want to just make a living, or you're living in an expensive country, such as the United States, Canada, or Australia, and here where it begins to be a little bit hard. But in my opinion, the best choices you have as beginner are: number 1, make content. Content is the most viral way to make money online, and nowadays it's so affordable to get attention. You don't have to professionally edit videos or have a studio. You can just do TikTok live videos, dance videos, or just grab your phone and talk about anything. But the key thing here is consistency. You have to post every day without getting bored, and it's going to take some time to see your first dollars. But once you're there, you will get some serious money from ads, paid promotions, or you can sell your own merch to your followers, like t-shirts, hat, or whatever you want. Again, let's play with some numbers here. Let's say you got 2,000 followers. You can go to a print-on-demand website like Redbubble, for example. Create an account and make a simple design on a t-shirt, grab the link, and put it on your bio and stories, and tell your followers to support you by buying your t-shirt. You can be more creative here. All right, we have everything set up, and we started the promotion.
Can you stop scrolling? Look at me. I said look at me.
If in a single day, 100 people has clicked on your t-shirt link, and only 3 of them, which is 3%, actually bought the t-shirt, and your commission from one t-shirt sale is $10, that's $30, which is really cool and easy to scale when you get more followers. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply getting sales to someone else's products, and you get commission out of it. You can do that with a lot of networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Amazon Affiliate. And with networks like ClickBank, you can get up to $400 commission per one sale.
Money isn't real. It's free. It's free. What do you mean free? Free money.
But the question here, how to get sales? Well, as a beginner, it's not that easy to get sales because you should have some capital and run ads and create email lists to send your offer to your potential clients. So what I recommend is, if you already live in a developed country like the United States or the UK, you can do that manually by just recommending the products to people you know or family and educate them about the product. Send your link to them, and when they buy, you will get your commission. So let's say you have 300 friends on Facebook. You can talk with 10 people daily, and at the end of the month, if 10 people from your 300 friends buys the product, which is only 3% of them, and you're getting $200 commission per sale, that's $2,000 a month. But after that, you have to invest that money in ads and learning how to scale your business. Finally, I'm going to talk about trading. I felt like I had to mention trading in this video because I think, All of you heard about trading stocks, Forex, or crypto. And we all have seen those people earning those crazy amounts of money with simple clicks.
Yes, guys. Yes, I'm up 40K. I'm up 40K. I'm out.
Well, from my experience, trading is only made for professionals who have big capitals for investment. And for sure, they know what they're doing. Because when you're trading without having the knowledge, you will maybe get lucky sometimes. But I'm pretty sure most of you will lose all their money. So before you think about creating an account in a broker and put your savings there, you have to educate yourself first and have an income somewhere else. Then you start trading, but for someone who's just in the beginning of their online journey, I highly don't recommend trading for them. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit the notification bell. See you on the next video.